It's time to take a look at our wardrobe basics. Let's elevate your outfit with a navy blazer. Are you looking to upgrade your style game and make a lasting impression? Then look no further than the classic navy blazer that truly is a classic wardrobe staple. And I am back with another episode of Fashion Squared, in which I take one wardrobe staple and style it multiple ways, or at least 5. That's what I'm doing in today's video. If I get a wild hair sometimes, maybe I'll do 10. And it's funny because I had planned on filming a white tee today, but when I looked back through the archives, I noticed that I'd already filmed a white tee and a white shirt. So both of those go beautifully with a navy blazer. But since it's still spring, almost summer, because summer's just right around the corner, I thought a navy blazer styled 5 ways would truly be perfect. And honestly, a navy blazer works 365 days a year, but there's something so crisp and clean and chic about a navy blazer when the temps start to warm up. But y'all know I also love to share a few style tips before I share outfit inspiration, because the style tips really help you to effortlessly elevate your outfit and transform your look. And this is just really just me sharing those style tips that I know work, and then you can start adapting them and adopting them into your life. So are you ready to turn heads and showcase your unique sense of style? Let's go. Okay, well, first up, I'm just going to share with you. So I chose a classic double-breasted navy blazer, and this one happens to be from Veronica Beard. And yes, it's a little bit pricey. There's definitely other alternatives out there, and I will link many price points down below in the description box. You know, since there are loads of navy blazers to choose from, this is just hands down my favorite. And it is because it is the Veronica Beard Miller Dickie jacket. And it's a bestseller season after season. And this version in transitional suiting and decorative crest buttons is a timeless classic. I absolutely love it. It has a slight stretch, which allows for a comfortable and flexible fit, while the slim tailoring delivers a polished look every time. And that's really what makes it a timeless classic. And one reason I love this classic blazer is that I can wear it in spring, summer, fall, and winter. And Veronica Beard offers a collection of interchangeable Dickies, and that's what I love about it, because you can transform the look of this outfit with just a zip in and zip out Dickie. You can get a denim jacket, you can get a cashmere hoodie, you can get, the options are endless, and that's truly why I love this blazer so much. So whenever you want to change the look, you just change the Dickie, or as in today's video, I'm just wearing the blazer all on its own. So that to me is just worth the price point in spades. But one of the style tips that I want to share is that you want to wear your navy blazer with timeless basics. Those are those wardrobe staples that also, they're not the most exciting items in your closet, but they're the ones that truly stand the test of time. So once you've selected your navy blazer, and as I said, I'm going to share many price points down below in the description box. The next step is to put your blazer with timeless basics to create a polished and sophisticated look that will never go out of style. So start by opting for classic pieces like, and I already mentioned them in the opener, and that's a crisp white button-down shirt or a simple white tee. Or if it's in the winter time, a beautiful simple black turtleneck, because black and white and black and navy are chic color combos. And we typically have those wardrobe staples on hand that are the perfect foundation for your outfit. Additionally, consider incorporating well-fitted jeans or tailored trousers to add a touch of modernity to your ensemble. By pairing your navy blazer with these timeless basics, you can effortlessly elevate your outfit for any occasion. So that's work to weekend and then back. And my next style tip is add a pop of color, because navy goes with so many vibrant, beautiful colors. If you want to inject some of your personality into your outfit, definitely add your favorite pop of color. So you can consider incorporating vibrant hues like a bold red handbag, or a statement scarf in a bright pattern, or colorful accessories like a belt. So you could go for a yellow belt, you could go with a pink belt, you could go even pink trousers. So these pops of color will not only add visual interest to your look, but also showcase your individual style. And yes, I love the neutrals and my closet is built on the neutrals, but pops of color truly bring a smile to our face. And if you've made it this far in the video, you might as well hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell. And there are 3 things you can do to help me grow the channel: like, share, and comment. And my next style tip is add accessories. When it comes to accessorizing, you want to think about adding those pieces that complement and enhance your navy blazer, and you want to consider incorporating a stylish watch or a chic belt to pull your look together. Accessories are the finishing touches that can truly elevate your outfit and make a statement. But don't be afraid to mix metals. It's very, very popular. So you can have gold, you can have silver. If you just like one or the other, of course, go for that, but don't be afraid to mix your metals and experiment with different textures to add visual interest. And, you know, come summer, that would be a straw tote or a straw handbag. You could even have a straw belt. Just lots of different options when it comes to accessories, but I always say it's the icing on the cake. And additionally, don't forget the power of a classic handbag or a sleek pair of shoes to complete your ensemble. So opt for accessories that reflect your personal style and make you feel confident and put together, because that's what style is all about, feeling confident. So now that I've shared just a few style tips with you, let's take a look at 5 ways to wear your navy blazer. So outfit number 1, very simple, very timeless. So it starts with a navy blazer. I'm bringing in that white crew neck tee that I just talked about a couple of times in the video. You can go very high end with your white tee. I love ATM. It's a beautiful slub fabric, very breathable. It lasts and lasts forever. Or you can go with a very low end crew neck tee from Walmart, or something in between. So pick your favorite crew neck tee out. Then you just add your favorite pair of denim. Straight leg are trending this year. Absolutely love them. You could go for a wide crop. You could also go for a crop flare. Those are 3 of my go-tos. So add your favorite pair of denim and then a pair of white sneakers. And then for this outfit, since it is very timeless, it is very classic, I just chose a very simple brown handbag. It's a neutral and it goes. It goes and it flows. So that's outfit number 1. Outfit number 2, of course, again, we have the navy blazer, but this time I added a Breton striped tee, because you've heard me say I have never met a striped tee that I didn't love. And I'm telling you, I'm always adding one more to my collection. But if you truly want a timeless, classic Breton tee, definitely take a look at St. James. They've been in business for a very, very long time. I actually, when I was in France a couple of years ago, I stopped in their Normandy shop. It's so much fun to actually shop in person, but they have an array of striped tees and other items on their website. So definitely take a look at St. James for a Breton tee. It's a little bit more pricey. You can definitely, again, you can go very high end, you can go very low end, or something in between. And again, I pulled in a pair of denim. And this time I chose a pair of flat black Slingbacks. And I purchased these over on Amazon. And if you're interested, I have an Amazon dupe video. I'm gonna link that. I think I'm pointing to the wrong part of the screen, but definitely take a look at the Amazon dupes. So this was one of them. Absolutely love these beautiful black Slingbacks. And there again, I went with the black handbag, because I will just mention again, and I mentioned it earlier above, a beautiful color combo, and the Parisians know this. It's black and it's navy. Very, very chic, no matter what time of year it is. And outfit number 3. Again, we have the Veronica Beard Dickie blazer. And of course, I'm not wearing the Dickie blazer, but I love to share this style tip. So you either match your blazer with your tee. And so I chose a navy tee, so I have navy and navy. And then I just added white denim this time. And of course you can wear white denim all year long, but I love it spring and summer. It has a very nautical look, just a very sophisticated nautical look. And I decided that a pair of brown wedge sandals was just the perfect addition. Again, I'm going with neutral footwear and I'm going with a brown handbag. So a very neutral handbag just to tie the outfit all together. So it really gives a little bit of sophistication and elevation to this outfit. And outfit number 4, we have the navy blazer. And so I decided that I would do a little unexpected twist. And so I picked out a pair of Bermuda shorts. So the style tip that I shared in the previous outfit, so you can either pair your navy blazer with your top, so you can do navy, or you can pair or you can match your top with your bottoms, and that's what I'm doing in this outfit. So I just have a very simple peplum top, so again, I don't have to tuck it in. I paired it with a beautiful pair of Bermuda shorts just for a little bit of a twist. I just think it's a very chic, modern look. I chose a classic shoe, so the cap toe slingback, and then just a very neutral handbag. So this is a Tory Burch handbag, just a beautiful neutral color, and it really gives an elevated look to this outfit. So don't discount Bermudas when it comes to a blazer. It truly is a very modern yet timeless look. And for my last outfit, the navy blazer, again, I'm bringing in a striped tee, and instead of denim, I'm actually going with a pair of navy pants. So the navy pants actually match the blazer. You just have a little bit of a casual tee that's just going to give it just a little, nod to the casual look, and absolutely beautiful, timeless, elegant look. So that's how you can wear a navy blazer 5 ways. All right, ladies, I hope you found at least one new way to wear your navy blazer, because it is such a timeless classic and it goes with so many things. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment down below. I love to hear your thoughts, and other people do too. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.